So real quick, I'd like to just, all the stuff I might use to put together or finish out a duck blind or build one, I keep in this bucket. Just this plain old, simple $3 bucket from Walmart. So here's my thing. You gotta have a pocket knife. Can't go out without it. A saw, a limb saw, for sure. A staple gun. String, a bunch of different string. I've got some of this to tie bundles, a little bright for a blind. I've tied that in the blind, and actually this is a really sturdy burlap kind of string that looks just like that I like to use. Obviously work gloves. Number one, if I had only one thing, probably zip ties. It's amazing. This pack of 100, I've already used it up on this one blind. You can't have too many zip ties. Camo spray paint. When we build new stuff out of wood, sometimes it gets shiny, you know, we'll just hit spots to break up the outline with it. Always have some just in case. Here's little screw-in hooks, so you can have places to screw in hook to hang, you know, whether you hang your ducks or you hang your blind bag or whatever, your jacket inside the blind. And that is just about it, other than I always carry some extra screws to repair something and my drill, so that if, you know, we get out here and something is torn up, we can actually repair it on the spot. One other thing, always get you a couple of pieces of burlap. I bought a whole roll, because I'll go through a whole roll in just a year or two, but you can buy this anywhere. Take some of this mossy oak printed drab burlap with you too. And that's about it. That's my list of things, and I'm gonna put everything back in the bucket. So when I go fix one up tomorrow, it'll all be there.